Alright, so this is a song that I first heard being played by Andy Irvine. It was written by a friend of his from Australia about the Australian gold rush. It's based off a sing that Andy used to a song that Andy used to play called Patrick Street. And his friend in Australia, he decided that that was pretty tame stuff, so he came up with this song. It's called The Close Shave. Right, ready? Come gather round, ye diggers all, who work the goldfish rare. It's of a trick was played on me, which caused me to despair. I came to town the other day, me precious gold to trade. 'Twas there I met a pretty maid, who did my heart betray. Well, her lips are red as roses, her eyes are deep sky, and her hair yellow as the gold he stole from me and you. We went into a public house, and there we did abide, in whiskey and strong porter and dreadful stuff besides. 'Twas then she asked me up to bed, to which I did agree. But truth to tell, I fell asleep before she'd earned her fee. Well, her lips are red as roses, her eyes a deep sky blue, her hair is yellow as the gold he stole from me and you. Now when I awoke next morning, no trousers I could find, but scattered all around the room her women's clothes are fine. Me jacket, shoes and gold are gone, and all that's left behind is a yellow white gold dress and a shaving kit, not mine. Well, her lips are red as roses, her eyes are deep sky blue, her hair is yellow as the gold she stole from me and you. White you need a wig, white you need a shave. 'Twas then the truth that struck me in a fit of blinding rage. Me pretty maid, a man I cried, thanks me I fell asleep. I'd rather lose a bag of gold than wake up with a quid. Well, her lips are red as roses, his eyes are deep sky blue, his wig is yellow as the gold he stole from me and you. Looking back out on the street again, I cautiously inclined. I had a shave, put on the wig, and wore the dress so fine. And as I was passing by, a digger gave a wink, and thinking of the gold he had, I offered him a drink. Well, his lips are red as roses, his eyes are deep sky, his wig is yellow as the gold he stole from me and you. Oh, you may think it sinful, oh, you may think it bold, to take advantage of the lads who struggle for the gold. It's easy putting on a wig and drinking whiskey neat, but leave your shaving kit behind when they are fast asleep. Well, his lips are red as roses, his eyes are deep sky blue, his wig is yellow as the gold he stole from me and you. Well, his lips are red as roses, his eyes are deep sky blue, his wig is yellow as the gold he stole from me and you.